How to transfer money from TD Bank to another bank. First and foremost, go ahead and open your TD application and make sure you are logged into your account. For that, enter your username and your password or a biometric pass. Once you enter, at the top you will see Send Money option. You have to go ahead and tap on Send Money. Once you do that, tap on Get Started bubble at the bottom of your screen. Once you have tapped on Get Started, it will let you know to enter a country or choose if it's in within the country or globally. Just go ahead and enter the country. On to the next step, select the medium of transfer. Since we are sending it into a bank, go ahead and tap on Send to Account option. Once you have sent it, now it will list out this type of form where you have to add your account details as well as your recipient detail regarding the bank account as well. Once you do that step, you have to add the amount of money that you want to send to the recipient bank. Then you have to also select the currency that you want to send and also receive in currency. Once you have decided, now all you have to do is tap on Send Money bubble, which will be at the bottom of the screen. And simply like that, you'll be able to transfer money from TD Bank to another bank. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.